let's get started. Welcome to my channel. My name is Divya, and today I'm going to review products top rated in Google. I'll attach a picture over here. You can see and you can visit the site and you can check that out. So this time I'm using co-powered by Johnson & Johnson's Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. The second one is this sunscreen. This is also top rated. And the third one is this overhyped cream. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Let's tie up the hairs. Now I'm going to start with this. So this one is oil-free acne wash micro clear technology facial cleanser for acne prone skin. This is Neutrogena Salicylic. You can see 2% of salicylic acid is this is 175 ml of bottle. Here is a QR code also. It says that oil-free acne wash is an alcohol-free cleanser that provides deep cleaning without over-drying your skin. So it penetrates deep to clean pores to help prevent removing excess oil and surface buildup and condition skin, leave it clear, residue-free and oil-free. So there's a warning as well that you must go to your doctor or pharmacy before use if you are using topical acne medication at the same time. So I want to give a disclaimer before starting this video that this is not a sponsored video of this Neutrogena product. I am already using these products, that's why I'm reviewing it, because there are through so many websites search for so many products and I have brought so many products. I have used home remedies as well, but I end up getting nothing in return. And then I found some products which were very helpful. If you want to see them, you can go back to my first video which I uploaded, was that products which really helped me out dealing with this. I have a very oily skin, so if you are using these type of cleansers on your dry skin, you have to be double sure with the products and keep away from your eyes, because once I was washing my face with this face wash and I end up getting this product into my eyes and it created so much of irritation. Use this very carefully. So without wasting much time, now it creates so much of foam, so you have to rub it. It has so much of foam in it. Now can you see my face? Face wash. Now I'm going to use water gel. Instantly boosts skin, hydrates and over time amplifies skin naturally ability to self-hydrate. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This is very good. I'm going to use this sunscreen which is Neutrogena Dry Touch Sunblock. This contains SPF 50 with Hyleoplex broad spectrum UVA, UVB, PA plus ultralight clean feel, water resistant. So this sunscreen is water resistant. It is long lasting sun protection stabilized with Hyleoplex. It provides superior balanced and broad spectrum protection against skin aging, UVA and burning UVB rays. Dry touch technology for an ultra light and non-shiny finish. This lightweight sunblock has a waterproof, sweat proof and resist rub off, non-comedogenic, won't clog pores, oil free, PA free. Apply on your face and body 15 minutes before sun exposure. So this is also Johnson & Johnson's, and this is 250 rupees, and this is of 650 something. So you can buy these products on discount right now. The discount is going on on nykaa. So what I do is, I'll take a gentle amount of this. I'll put it on all my face. It has been said that we all should use sunscreens when we are not stepping out as well at the daytime. I love this sunscreen. Even before doing makeup also, it sets the makeup as well very nicely. Now you can see. Now if you are having a big amount of breakout, I'll recommend you to go to your dermatologist or to the nearest doctor. They can look into your skin and properly guide you through various products, which I personally feel, because you will end up wasting 7 to 8 months searching for products and you will end up getting nothing in return. So be gentle on your skin. If you are having big amount of breakout, stop using so many products at the same time. Just wash your face, use aloe vera, natural aloe vera gel on your skin, and stop touching your face continuously. And just forget that you are having acne at that time, and don't use any makeup products, because the sponges we use, the brushes we use, we don't wash them daily basis, right? So using them on your face is not recommended, which I personally think. Like my channel, like my videos. If my videos you think are helpful, please subscribe to my channel quickly. Bye.